session is now?
Thanks, ma'am.
Yes, Max. So it's been quite a long time since we all met, right? So we had our last class on Monday, right? So it's been 3 days since I saw you all people. I'm really happy to meet you all. How about you? Are you excited about Max class? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So are you all doing
I
your
like
homework?
math.
Yes, I also like this class very much. So are you all completing your homework on regular basis? Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very good. See,
Already
homework.
completed my homework.
Very good, very good. So homework is then and there uploaded in MVM app. So please look into the app and homework. Okay? And if at all you have got any doubts, you're always free to call me and ask your doubts. Okay? So I'll start to present. Okay?
Ma'am,
Yes.
no, what did you say?
Uh, Ma'am, can you make me the presenter? Yes, thank you. Yes, Sudarshini, I'm able to see that completed, but the numbers are not properly visible.
Ma'am, I did not attend the before class, ma'am, so I don't know what the homework.
Did not attend the before class. Last class you did not attend? Are you all able to see the board? Yes?
Yes, ma'am, we can.
Yes,
The board is
ma'am.
visible, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Board is visible.
So what is the first rule of the class? Mute yourself. Yes? And you have to give me the answers only in the chat box. Okay, Kanna? Yes. So last class we were seeing about larger number and smaller number. Yes. So last class where did we stop? We stopped with circling the largest number and circling the smallest number. Yes. So you will be given with two set of numbers and you will have to round which one is the largest number, and then the second Roman letter was what? You have to circle the number which is smaller, right? So this is similar to that only. Okay, you have to do the comparison. You have to do the comparison and then put any one of this sign in the box, whether it is lesser than or greater than or equal to. So again, it is going to be a comparison. Okay, so it is, yes, you have to write this, but only after I finish, you have to copy. Okay, I'll give time for you to copy. Okay, or if you are very familiar with the concept, you can do along with me and check if Sam is writing right or wrong. Okay. So, what is the first two numbers? It is 1,52,358, and on the right side we have got 28,946. So this is very easy to compare, right? Yes, you have to write this. You have to write this. So this is very easy for you to compare. Yes. So here you have got 6 digits, and here you have got only 5 digits. So obviously, which number is going to be greater? My 6 digit number, right? 1,52,358 will be greater than 28,946. So I will write here as this. Okay, very good. Yes. Now I'm going to the second one. Here it is given 42,835 is compared with what? Yes, correct answer. Very good. Is compared to 4,28,351. So again, very good. Very good, Samita. So again, here it is going to be an easy comparison because there is only 5 digits here and there are 6 digits here. So obviously my 6 digit number is going to be greater. So 4,28,335 is greater than this. Yes? So I will write like this. Is smaller than this. Okay. Now my third comparison. 29,834 compared to 36,001. Yes. So here when I compare both the numbers, I have got one problem. Here also I have got 5 digits. And here also I have got 5 digits. So by comparing the number of digits, I cannot come to a conclusion which number is greater. So what will I do? Very good. I will start comparing each and every digit. Where will I start? I will start from my highest place value digit. So first digit I will compare. So here it is 2, here it is 3. So 2 is lesser than 3, right? So this will come like this. Yes? Now the last one. 31,670 compared to 31,000. Very good. 31,671. So again here, in both the sides I have got the same number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So on comparing the number of digits, I will not come to a conclusion which number is greater, which number is lesser, smaller. So what will I do? I will compare each and every digit, separate digit. So 3 and compare 3, first digit is what? 3 and 3. So it is same. So since the first digit is same, I'll go to the, very good. Everyone has finished. I'll go to the second one. I'll compare the second digit, 1 and again both are same. So I will compare the third digit, 6 and 6. Again it is same. So I will compare the fourth digit, 7, 7. Again it is same. I will compare the fifth digit, 0 and 1. But finally, at least my fifth digit is varying. So 0 is lesser than 1. Okay. So those who have finished will tell whether ma'am has written correct. Those who have finished will act as a teacher to me. Yes? Has ma'am done all the problems right? Very good. Thanks for giving me a thumbs up. Okay, so clap for myself. Okay, Kanna. Copy down this. So those who are not copied, I'll give you only 30 seconds. Yes, what doubt? Sri Hasini. Very good, Magisha. Thanks for all your thumbs up. So done. Sri Hasini wanted to ask me a doubt. What is it? Sri Hasini, can you unmute yourself and ask me the doubt? Okay. So can I rub this off? All clap for ma'am. Thank you. Now, so the next concept is also going to be similar to this. Okay. See, this is not from your workbook. Okay. This is not from your workbook. That is why I have not written the workbook page number. Okay. This is the sum I am giving you. Now, your next problem is going to be for the smallest number and largest number for the given set of digits. And you have to make sure that there is no repetition of the digit. Okay. So this is the question I will explain you. Okay. Don't get scared seeing the question being very big. Yes, Sri Hasini, you can ask me the doubt. Can you unmute yourself? Are you not able to unmute?
I will send the request, ma'am. I will send the request.
Yes.
This is homework, ma'am.
Which one? The last thing.
And before you write, no. That is
That is
homework.
not. No. That is not a homework. That was done in the class, right? Homework ones I will upload only in the MVM app. Whatever I write on the board, it's your class work. That has to be completed in class. Okay? Was this your doubt?
Ma'am, shall we move that, ma'am?
I did
Yes,
not
ma'am.
direct that, ma'am. Can you
Oopsie.
send the ma'am?
Friends, okay, Kanna?
Ma'am, you will send in the telegram app.
No, you will ask your friends. You have got 80 friends to help you out, right? So you ask your friends to share that, okay? And I asked you to copy down. What were you doing that time? It's okay, Kanna, no problem. Your friends have returned, you can copy from them, okay? Okay. So what is being asked in the question? They have asked you to form the smallest number and largest number for the given set of digits. And they have specified that you should not give any repetition of a number. There should not be any repetition. Okay. So this is the question being asked. Okay. So they have given you 1 to 3 problems. Okay. So first, how many digits are given in the first problem? Very good. Devarsh has got the answer. First, they have given 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So with this 5 digits, I'm going to form the largest possible 5-digit number. Okay. So I'm going to rewrite these digits such that it forms my largest number. Okay. So with the given 5 digits, I have to form my largest number. So my answer, largest number is also going to have 5 digits. Okay. So how should I write my largest number? In the first place, what digit should I have to write? Very good. Many of you have given me the answers. Very good. But those who don't know how to form, please look into the book. Okay. So in my first place, to form the largest number, I have to select the largest number from here. What is the largest number given here? It is 9, right? So my first place will have 9. And my second place should have the second largest number from the given question. So the second largest number is 8. So I will write 8 here. My third place should have the third largest number. So third largest number is 4. So 4 here. My fourth place will have the fourth largest number. So it is 3 and here it is 0. Okay. Any doubts in this? Now, the second problem. Okay. Again here there is a 5-digit number. So I will be getting my largest 5-digit. So my first place, what should I do? I have to select the largest number from this given set. So 9 is larger. 9 is the largest number in the given set of numbers. So 9. Then the second largest is 7. So 7. Third largest is 6. 6. Fourth largest is 3. 3. And fifth largest is 2. So this is my largest number. So I forgot to mark periods here. Where will I mark my period? Ones, tens, hundreds, then you will get a period, then 1000 and 10,000. So 98,430 is the largest possible number that can be formed using this digit. And here 97,632 will be my largest possible number which could be formed with a given set of digits. Yes, very good. Many of you have finished. So as I told you, if you have finished before ma'am, you can check whether ma'am is writing correct or not. Okay. So here again, my first digit is going to be 9 because 9 is the largest number here. And then my second digit is going to be 8. My third digit is going to be 3. Fourth digit is 2. And my fifth digit is 0. Okay. Any doubts? Very good. Now, I'm going to move to the smallest. So by using the same number, I have to form the smallest number. Okay. So here again, I have to use my same digits to form the smallest number. So now, see, this is the largest number, right? So if I write this in reverse, I will be able to get my smallest number. Yes? Yes? Very good, Pragati. I'll be able to get my smallest number. So 0, 3, 4, 8, 9. Is this right? Is my answer right? 0, 3, 4, 8, 9. No, this is not right. Yes, very good. Guru Prasad have told me this is wrong. Yes, yes, very good. No, this is not right. Why this is not right? Because 0 I have written in the first place. I have just reversed and then written here, right? 0 I have written in first place. But if you have a number 0 in the first place, does it add any value to the number? No, it will not add any value to the number, right? So what I should do? I just have to reverse these two. 3 and 0. The rest of the number is going to be the same. Okay? 0 cannot come in the first digit Because, see, for example, this number is 15. Yes, what is this number? It is 15. If I add a 0 here, will it going to change the number? No, it is again 15. 0 does not add any value to this number. So 0 cannot be returned in the first place. 0 cannot be returned in the first place. So what will I do? Only the first two places I will interchange and write. Okay? Now here. So here there is no 0. So what will I do? I will just reverse 2, 3, 6, 7 and 9. Okay? Again here. There is again a 0 here. So what will I do? I will just interchange the position of 0 and 2 and then write 2, 0, 3, 8 and 9. That's it. So any doubts? Very good. Any doubts in forming the largest number and smallest number? Very good. Good job. No, good. So you have to copy down this. After me rubbing the board, please don't ask me the doubt whether you have to copy it out. Okay? Very good. So this class has got so many superheroes. Huh? Finishing in just a minute. Very good. So shall I rub the board off? Yes? Good. Okay. Now we are going to our next topic. Successor. So have you heard of this term successor? Yes? Are you familiar with this term? So what do you mean by successor? Successor means what? Successor means what? Yes, very good. After number. The immediate next number to a given number is called as the successor. Yes? The immediate next number. Yes? For example, what is the successor of 2? Sorry, 1, it is 2. The successor of 2 is 3. The successor of 3 is 4. So what does this mean? The immediate next number to a given number is your successor. So if I follow this pattern, if I observe this pattern, to get my successor, what I should do? I should add 1. I should add 1 to the given number so that I get the successor of the number. Okay? So 1 plus 1 will give you 2. 2 plus 1 will give you 3. 3 plus 1 will give you 4. So when I add 1 to the given number, I will be able to get the successor of the number. Okay? Now you have got one more term called predecessor. So what is predecessor? Your immediate before number. Yes, you can copy this for your understanding. Your immediate before number is predecessor. For example, the predecessor of 4 is what? 3. The predecessor of 3 is what? 2. The predecessor of 2 is what? 1. Yes? So, when I observe this pattern, when I subtract 1 from a given number, I'll be able to get the predecessor of the number because 4 minus 1 will give me 3. 3 minus 1 will give me 2 and 2 minus 1 will give me 1. So, if I want to get the predecessor of a number, I will subtract 1. So, you are all familiar with the concept of addition and subtraction. You know how to add 1 to a number and you know how to subtract 1 from a number. Yes? So, you will be able to tell me the successor and predecessor of any given number. Yes? Yes? Very good. Now, please copy down this fast, quick, and we shall do our workbook problems. Okay? Now we are going to solve workbook problems. Okay. This is from worksheet 5 in page number 6. Okay. So please make a note of this. As I told you, with this only you will be able to copy down when you get your workbook. Okay. Or else it is going to be tough time for you to copy everything in your workbook. Yeah, you all know how to solve the problem, so you can solve also. Your third Roman is write the successors of the following number. Okay, so they have given you numbers and for which you have to write your successor. Okay, so now tell me the successor of this and this. So when I want to get the successor of 22,199, what should I do? I have to add 1 to this number. So 22,199 plus 1. Okay. So where will I add this 1? I will add this 1 to the ones digit, ones place. Yes. So 9 plus 1 will give me 10. So 10 I will not write here as such. What I should do? I have to carry over this 1 here. So 1 plus 9 is again 10. So 1 here. 1 plus 1 is 2 and here it is 2. So it is 22,200. Okay, very good. Now the successor of this is what? Again, you just have to add a 1 here. So 1 plus 1 will give you 2. So it is very easy. 31,002. Okay? Yes, you have to write the sum. I have told you whatever I write on the board, you have to copy it down. Okay? Nothing is homework. Whatever I do in the class is your classwork. Now I am going to do my 5th Roman letter. Write the predecessor of the following numbers. Okay. So your first question is 34,352. So when I subtract 1 from here, I'll get my predecessor. Yes. So how will I subtract 1? 34,351. Okay. 13,608. So when I subtract 1 here, I get 13,677. Okay. Any doubts? Very good. Yes, good job. Okay. See, one more problem I'm giving on my own. Okay, this is not from the workbook. I just run this one. Okay. You have to write the predecessor of 51,900. Okay. Tell me the predecessor of this number 51,900. What is the predecessor of 51,900? You have to subtract a 1 and give me the answer. So, what is this? 5189.
Ma'am?
5188. Very yes, ma'am.
Divya ma'am, Vidyut has doubt. I have given the request. Ask them to unmute and talk. Vidyut.
Yes. You can unmute yourself and give ask me the doubt. Sabrish has given me the correct answer. Very good. Guru Prasad, good. With you, are you there? Yes.
Ma'am, said no more doubts.
No more doubts, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Said
See, 51,900. Okay, you have to subtract a 1. So where will you write this 1? This is in the ones place. Okay. So here it is 0. 0 is less than 1. So what will I do? I will go and get help from my next number. But again, this is 0. 0 again, he cannot help me. So I will move on to my next number, 9. So I will borrow a 10 from here. So this will become 10 here. and then again this will become 9 and this will become 10. So 10 minus 1 is 9, here it is 9, here it is 8, and then what? 1 and 5. So what is the answer? The answer for this? 51,899. Okay? Yes, you can write this also. But this is not from your workbook, okay? This is not from your workbook. I just wanted to show you an example with zeros. That's it. Finished? Very good. Okay. So with the same concept, we are going to solve some different methodology, okay, of problems. Again, this is from worksheet 5 and page number 6. Roman number 4. You have to observe the following pattern. Observe the pattern and fill in the blanks, okay? You have to observe the pattern and just fill in the blanks, okay? Okay. So they have given you a series of numbers in which certain places is missing. Okay. So when you compare your first and the third number, what can you say? How the series is followed? See, it is 54,321 and here it is 54,323. Right? So which digit keeps changing here? Which place? It is your ones place because your 10,000 place is same in both the numbers 5 and 5. Your 1,000 place is both. Very good. 4 and 4. Your 100 place is same. 3 and 3. Your 10th place is same. 2 and 2. Only your ones place there is a change. Right? Here it is 1 and here it is 3. So what will be the in between number? It is 54,322. Okay, 54,322. So what number follows 54,323? It is 54,324. Okay. So any doubts how to write this? Okay. Similar problem. So again, if you compare in the series, they have given you the first and the fourth number. So when you compare the first and the fourth number, what can you say? Again, it is only your ones digit which has changed, right? So it 3. Yes. Now what will be the next number here? It is 80,104. 80,104. And here it is going to be 80,105. Okay. So they have given only the successes. Yes. Very good. Okay. Shall I rub the A1? Yes. Rub all. I've got one more problem in this. Okay. Talk. Okay, I lost my track. Your C question is 99,219 dash 99,217 and dash. So again, in this series, the first number and third number is given. So where is the change? It is again in the ones place. But if you see here it is 9 and here it is 7. So it keeps decreasing. It keeps decreasing. So you have to write a predecessor. 99,218 and 99,216. Yes? So when you compare the ones digit of both the number, it is 9 and it is 7 here. So your series is like decreasing. So you have to write the predecessor. Whereas in this case, in the first two problems, you wrote the successors. Here it is predecessor. Very good. The same pattern, you have got one more problem from your worksheet 1. Okay. So this is from worksheet 1. So please make a note of this. This is from worksheet 1, page number 2. Okay. Again, you have to observe the following pattern and then fill in the blanks. So 66,166, 66,266, 66,366. So what would be your next two numbers? So again, you just have to observe the series and tell me what number is changed here, what place position is changed. Here it is 66,166, 66,266, 66,366. Yes. So your 100 place is changed, right? You only your 100 place there is a change. 1, 2, and 3. So what would come next? 66,466, 66,566. Okay. Now the next problem. 52,535, 62,535, 72,535. So what is the next two digits? So when you compare each of the number here, what place has changed? Your 10,000 position has changed. Yes. So here it is 5, 52,000. So 5, here it is 6, here it is 7. Only your 10,000 position, that is a change of numbers. So what would come next? It is 82,535, 92,535. Yes? Any doubts here? See, here it is not successor or predecessor. You just have to observe the pattern and then understand which place has a change. Whether it is 1st place, 10th place, 100th place, 1000th place or 10,000th place. You have to observe and understand which place you have a change in number. And then you have to follow the pattern. That's it. So in the first problem, your 100th position had a change. And in the second problem, your 10,000 position had a change. Okay. Now moving on to the third sum. $51,001, 51,002, 51,003. So what is the next two numbers? So when you observe the pattern, you can easily say move. Okay. You can easily say it's your one's place which is changed. Here it is 1, here it is 2, and here it is 3. Very good. So the next number is 51,004 and 51,005. Okay. Do this. We will solve 2 more problems here of this kind. And then the rest I will give you as homework. Your fourth sum is 87,000, 77,000, 67,000, and then what is the remaining two digits? Okay. So again, by observing, I am able to find out that my 10,000 place there is a change. My 10,000 place there is a change of numbers. Here it is 8, 7, and 6. So it is decreasing 8, 7, and 6. So my next number will be 57,000 then 47,000. Okay? Very good, Devash. Now, fifth. 91,010, 91,020, 91,030. Sorry, only 6. So, I'll be able to find that my 10th place, there is a change of numbers. 1, 2, and 3, it is increasing. So, what will be my next number? It is 91,020, 40, 91,050. Okay? So, based on this, you will be getting homework problems. So, any doubts you have got? Very good. Good. So, finish this fast. Okay. Very good. I'm rubbing off, okay? Now, again, what I'm going to write now is not from the workbook, okay? This is not from your workbook. The question goes like this. Write the number shown on abacus strike. So you know what is an abacus, right? Yes? Good. Now you have to write the number which is shown on the abacus strike. 10,000, 1,000, hundreds, tens, and ones. So I think you will be able to write down the number. Yes. So this is your first question. See, they have given me this. Okay. This representation they have given me. This is called as abacus pipe. Okay. So they have given me this representation. I have to write the number. I have to write the standard form. Very good. So how will I write? Yes, Pragati is right. Very good. How will I write? So it is a 5-digit number. It is a 5-digit number. Since they have given me up to 10,000 place, the answer will have 5 digits. Ones place, 1,000 place, 100 place, ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1,000 place, and 10,000 place. Yes, very good. Now in my 10,000 position, how many balls I have got? 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 10,000s. There are 3 10,000s. And in my 1,000th place, how many balls I have got? Only 2. Which means there are 2,000s. And in my 100th place, do I have any ball? No, there is no ball. So I don't have any 100 here. So there are 0 hundreds. See, you should not miss the 0. If you miss the 0, then your answer will be totally wrong. Okay? Now in my 10th place, how many balls I have got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 6. And in my 1st place, how many balls I have got? Again 6. So it is 6. So my number is what? 32,066. 32,066. See, if you miss the 0, your answer is going to be 3266. So which means it is 3,266. This is wrong. If there are no balls, then you have to represent that as 0 because 0 means what? 0 means empty. Okay? So it means there is nothing in your 100th place. Okay? Similar type, I'll give you one more problem. So tell me the answer for this. Quick. Yes, 4 minutes more, yes. So in my 10,000 position, do I have any number? No. So it is 0 here. Yes? Very good, Pragati. And in my 1,000 place, how many balls I have got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which means there are 8,000s. And 100 place, there is 5 balls, which means there are 500s. In my 1,000 place, sorry, 10th place, I have got 2 balls. So 2 tens, and 1 place, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. So my answer is what? 8,524. See, now I can neglect this 0 because 0 is in the first place, right? First place. So this can be neglected. This 0 can be neglected. But if 0 comes in between these numbers, you cannot neglect that 0. Okay? So please understand this, Kana. 0 in the first place will not add any value to the number. So this 0 can be neglected. Okay? But if the 0 comes in between any of these numbers, you should not neglect that. Okay? So this 08524 is equal to 8524. Okay? So my answer is what? 8,524. Okay? Now you are going to do the reverse process. Okay? I will give you the numbers to show them in your abacus box.
Divya ma'am,
Yes?
last 2.
Yes. Okay, so this number you have to show in abacus pipe. Okay, so show the number in abacus pipe. So show the number in abacus pipe. So what you will do here? You will first draw the abacus column. So here ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, and 10,000. Right? So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, and 10,000. So this is my ones, tens, hundred, thousand, and 10,000. So in my ones column, how many zeros I have to add? I have to add only 1 0. Okay. In my tens column, how many zeros I should add? I should add 2 zeros. So since I have 2 in my tens place, I will add 2 zeros here. And in my 100th column, will I add any number? No. Yes, because it is 0. 0 means empty. There are no balls here. Yes, who has got doubt? And in my thousands place, I have got 6. Yes, so I will add 6 zeros. Thousands place, I have got 6. So I will add 6 zeros. Okay, and 8,000 place, I have got 8. So 8 zeros. Yes.
Jay, good day.
Okay, Kana? So now you know how to write the number when given on an abacus pipe and how to form the abacus pipe when a number is given. Yes?
Ma'am, this is
Yes?
class, ma'am.
Okay, so today what are we studying? Study? Yes, very good.
Ma'am, I don't. Ma'am,
Yes?
see this, ma'am.
Classwork, ma'am.
Yes. Everything is your classwork. I told you what all I
Ma'am,
told you.
see this sum, ma'am.
See this sum. I'm not. Wait.
Ma'am, 86, 21 only answer, ma'am.
86,021.
Ma'am, see this.
Yes, yes. See, this is the answer. See, here the question is given in number. Listen here, all of you. The question is given in number. You have to form the abacus spike. Okay? So for this number, you have to draw the ball in your abacus spike. Okay? The question is the number here. See, show the number in abacus spike. So the question is given in standard form. You have to draw the abacus spike. This is your answer. Okay? So today we have studied what? Successor, predecessor,
Bye, ma'am.
form the smallest number, how to form the largest number. Abacus spike also we So I will meet you all in my next class, which is tomorrow. Tomorrow you have got.
Bye,
Thank you all. Have a happy day.
ma'am.